Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little cook with me recipe. I'm going to be making some Crockpot turkey chili and some cornbread. So if you want to see this recipe, then keep on watching. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is heat up a pan with some olive oil and then just take some meat. I usually use ground turkey if I can. I just got the 94% lean, 6% fat. You can use ground beef or ground chicken as well, but I usually like ground turkey and that's what I have on hand. Open that up. And then we're also going to take an onion and we will slice this up. So let me just grab a cutting board. Also, how cool is this cutting board? My boyfriend actually makes these, so if you want to check them out, it's BS Woodworking on Etsy, or he also has a Instagram that you can check out. It's BS_woodworking if you want to check out some cutting boards. I'm just gonna take onion. Alright, so just take the onion, cut off the ends. And then cut it. Then you can just peel off the outside.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Just die for a minute. Really feel the burn. And with your olive oil, then you just take your onions and toss them in. Probably use about half an onion for this. That looks like a good amount. Just gonna mix that around. Ooh, my eyes are killing me. Had some onion cutting goggles. I just don't know where they went. My eyes are super sensitive to onions though. I'm just gonna cook with one of my eyes closed, casual. So you want to saute that onion a little bit and then add your meat of choice. Just kind of break it up. The recipe I'm using actually calls for 2 pounds of ground beef and a full onion, but I'm going to cut the recipe in half because it's just me eating it. So it's a lot. You can use the full recipe though. I've made it both ways. just wait for this to cook and brown. So that's probably about done there. Now we'll move over to the crock pot. Alright, so I got my computer here so I can see the recipe. And the crock pot. Just browned the turkey and the onion, and you add that to your crock pot. Take a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. You can use any kind, just get whatever kind is cheapest at the store. So using the can opener to open that up. Dump that right in. We do 1 can of chili beans, a 16-ounce can. So we're gonna open that up. This recipe is great for fall or really any time of year. It makes a good amount, especially if you use the 2 pounds of meat. I usually just cut it in half and do the 1 pound, and it's plenty for a couple meals. You don't want to drain these beans at all. You want to put all that sauce in the chili. It really gives it the flavor. And you want to take some garlic. And I just have this big thing of minced garlic in my fridge. So I'll go ahead and take just a scoop of that. I don't really measure. But it says 2 cloves of garlic, finely chopped. So I usually will just eyeball it. Not a big spoonful. You can never have too much garlic in my opinion. Maybe a little more. And then 2 tablespoons of chili powder. That gives it that chili taste, obviously. Can't have chili without chili powder. Sometimes I get stuck to the bottom. Moisture. Use a spoon to get some of this out. Nothing really works the first time. Alright, so 2 tablespoons. Woo! Knew that was gonna happen. So that's a little over 1. A little less this time. Don't want it to be too strong. Alright, well, that was all my chili powder, so that was good enough. That was pretty close to 2 tablespoons. And we want 1.5 teaspoons ground cumin. a little salt and pepper. This is half a teaspoon of each. I don't measure, I usually will just eyeball. Pepper. And the salt. And then lastly, I like to add some corn. So, find it. Add some frozen corn. This is the kind I use from Trader Joe's. I just eyeball it, I don't measure it. This recipe does call for tomato sauce and diced tomatoes. I just do the crushed tomatoes, and I think it's fine. It's just for more liquid. If you're using more meat, I would probably recommend doing a little bit more liquid. I'll check this kind of halfway through and see if I need to add some more. So that's pretty much it. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like all in the pot. And I'm just gonna put the lid on. And go right here. And we'll do 4 hours. Should probably work. It says 4 to 6, but I usually start with 4. We'll see. And we'll check back in when it's all done. Alright guys, so I made some cornbread here. I just used this Simply homemade baking mix cornbread. Super easy. You just take 2/3 cup milk, 1/3 of a cup butter, and 1 egg, and you combine it and then cook it at 375 for about 25 minutes. So that's what the cornbread looks like, all done. So I'm gonna have that with my chili. Check on the chili. And we are just about done here. This is 4 hours. Looks super yummy. I'll let you guys know how it is. Delicious. Alright guys, so that was my chili recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you try it out. I will link the recipe in the down bar. And I will also list my boyfriend's Etsy store and Instagram in case you're wondering about those cutting boards. He also makes some other stuff on there, so make sure to check that out. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more cooking, cleaning, and different lifestyle videos. And let me know some other video ideas in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.
Big lights paint the sky.